everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cat with the Rubik's Twist. So pretty much all you have to do is count 7 blocks, turn it twice, count 1 block, turn it twice, count 2, then count 2 blocks, turn it twice, count 1 block, turn it twice, count 2 blocks, turn it twice, count 1 block, turn it twice. Now, count 4 blocks, and then turn it twice. Count 1 block, then turn it twice. Count 2 blocks, then turn it twice, and then count 1 block and turn it twice. Now what you're going to do is just twist that. And there you go, you have a cat. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down below, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it, and goodbye, see you in my next video.